Welcome back to another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. In today's episode, we're going to talk about this Epiphone Les Paul Special 2. We're going to do a review. Show reel! I'm here to talk to you about this guitar, the Epiphone Les Paul Special 2. It's a lot of people are thinking about this guitar as like a beginner's pack, and I'm really enjoying it. It sounds really good. Things I can say about it: the body, it's made of mahogany. The neck is a bolt-on mahogany as well, and the fretboard is rosewood. It has 22 frets, and the radius is 12. The pickups is a 700T and 650T. The control is a volume control and a tone control, and we have three position actually, switch here, three-way switch. So I'm going to describe how does it sound in different scenarios, of course. Here I'm going to try it on a clean sound. How does it sound? Yeah, we're tuning E standard. That's the bridge pickup. Very beautiful sound. That's the second position, where we have both pickups working together. Really cool. And the third position, where we have this pickup working here. Sorry, I couldn't resist. Really good, really good. I'm enjoying this guitar. It's very good. I don't know if I mentioned, but the neck is bolt-on, as the difference with the higher level Les Pauls, Gibsons and stuff like that. There's glued, but it sounds really good. It's really warm sounding. Wow, really good. The only thing I could say that I would change about this guitar is the tuning pegs. And that's that. It's really, really good. Let's put some dirt on it. Good sustain as well, really good. You know why? If I was a beginner nowadays, I will definitely get one of these. Really good. The other fact that it makes me like it a lot, it's the frets are jumbo. 22 frets is not what I used to. I'm used to 21, but it's just a personal preference. I really like it. It's really good. It sounds really, really good. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you in another episode of Shredding with Gheeyeh, Shredding with me. Don't forget to subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and leave your comments down below. Stay heavy, stay shredding. See you soon. Show reel.